I need a better way of taking my model rating photos because this right here isn't working. Time to step it up a notch and make a DIY light box for my photos and in-scale video reviews. Let's go! Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make a light box for your macro or video review needs. I'm going to be using it for my macro train shots and my video reviews for my channel. So be on the lookout for some reviews to come on my channel. Click the likey-like button, give me a thumbs up, comment below if any suggestions or comments you might have, subscribe if you already have it, and share my video amongst your friends. As always, later guys.